Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are new, welcome, and my name is Unapologetically Mocha, and I do crochet. What do I do? Crochet tutorials, unboxings, and craft tutorials of all sorts. Today I'm here because I'm unboxing something that, for those of you that have been here before, will be pretty familiar to you. A box from... Let's not show you my name. Woohoo! Darn Good Yarn. It's upside down, but you know who this is. This is the black box. Normally, you can't order one of these individually, but for some reason, I don't know if it's part of their charity for India, perhaps, they made the black boxes for sale individually. So I have no idea what's in this box. Zero idea. And I figured I would videotape opening it and seeing what I got. So let's open it. And this is going to be a relatively quick video because here in West Virginia, we went from, oh wow, it's chilly, I'm going to need a sweater, to it's so hot. We got no spring. There was no spring. What spring there was lasted maybe 2 days. We have gone from late winter to full-on summer. Not that I'm really complaining, but unfortunately where I film, I don't have AC in the room. And since I don't have AC in the room, I have to use a fan. And any of you that have ever tried to film anything with a fan running in the background, it messes up the noise. And I had a noise canceling microphone, but now for some reason it won't work with my camera. So I'm filming without the microphone, the fan's not on, I've got my door open, there's a slight breeze, but not enough to stave away, as you can see, my glistening skin from all the sweat. So yeah, as I said, it's gonna be a pretty quick video. Anyway, let's see what's in the box. Okay, let's see. Some very pretty stitch markers. I like unique stitch markers. I don't use them that much, but they're really nice to have, just like, you know, for decoration and for staging pictures and stuff. A hank of yarn. And this is pure superwash merino wool. I love merino wool. And it looks to be, well, you know, this is actually not bad. A heavy to late 3 weight. So DK. I said it's 100. Like I said, it's 100% merino wool, and there's how much? I don't have my cheaters on. Okay, it takes a 3.5 to 4.5 millimeter hook. 200 yards. Not bad. What else? Some fabric samples. Which is cool because actually this is actually kind of perfect timing because I'm working on a bag and I want to line it, and this fabric will match the yarn I'm using. So cool. Let's see. A needle gauge, which are, you know, handy to have. If you've got a needle in it that it's rubbed off and you can't read what gauge it is, you can use that to gauge it. Some felt ball coasters. Literally little pom-poms that have been, I don't know, glued or stitched together into coasters. And there's 2 of them. Okay. A heart pen. See, it's a pen. Some buttons. A bracelet. Says it's a sea glass diffuser bracelet. Oh, you can like put essential oils in it. If it's like my other diffuser bracelets, like this that I'm wearing. So that's neat. A mystery box. One, 2, 3, 4, 5 packs of stitch markers. A DIY frog amigurumi kit, which is interesting because I'm actually working on my first amigurumi project right now. This might be my second. We'll see how the first one goes. I know I'm not going to tell you what it is. I'll surprise you with it. You'll just have to wait and see. And now we have a box and a box. So let's see what's in this box. Those of you that actually get the darn good yarn subscription boxes, what do you do with your boxes? Right now I have mine kind of displayed. You can't see it here, but they're displayed to the side of me. And I don't know. I don't know if I'm going to like build a tower with them or what. I'm getting quite a collection now. And what's in here? Some yarn. The one thing about darn good yarn that I really like is I like to smell the yarns. I didn't know this one smells or not. This one doesn't really smell, but this do. And this is Silk Roving worsted weight yarn. I'm gonna say it's a 3. Let me see. No, it's a 4. No, wait. Yeah. It's a 4 weight. Calls for a 5.5 to 6.5 millimeter hook. And there's 2 skeins of it. And 75 yards. So 150 yards total of a 4 weight. And of course the booklet that always comes with it. And what let's see what they're suggesting I make with this. But normally they make a suggestion. It looks like the suggestion is fingerless gloves, or they're calling them fall foliage mitts. And I just want to show you, I can't show you the pattern, but I want to show you what they look like. So the colorway works up very interestingly. So, most likely that might be what I make with them, because honestly, that's not really a whole lot of yarn to do much else with. So, there's a good chance I'll make that pattern. If I do, I'll post it on my Instagram, and you can see how it turns out. And well, everybody, that's the unboxing. I don't hate it, but I'm not jumping up and down for joy for it either. A little more yarn would have been great, but I mean, I can't really complain about what I got. I mean, I got some pretty stitch markers. I got this lovely merino wool. The fabric is cool for me because, like I said, I line my bags. So, you know, I'm always buying fabric for that reason. You can never have too many gauges because I'm always losing them. The bracelet was pretty. But yeah, it wasn't, to be honest, it wasn't my favorite box that I've gotten from them. But it's okay. So, if you want to snag one of these when the next time they put the black boxes on sale, it's up to you. Like I said, I'm not in love with it, but I don't hate it either. So, but again, you're like, you know, what I'm kind of like meh about, somebody else may love. So, it's your call. But anyway, that's really all I have for you today. It's hot. So, I'm going to dash out of here because, did I mention it's hot? One more time. It's hot. So, thanks for stopping. Thanks for sticking around. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. And don't forget to hit that bell icon so that you know when I upload. I try to normally upload at least once a week. Although the last couple of weeks, I admit, I've been a little lax in that. But we've had a lot going on around here. My daughter had a birthday. My daughter graduated from college. I'm in college and kind of got bogged down in my class a little bit. And, you know, I have another career on top of this. So, you know, sometimes life gets in the way. But I've got several more videos planned. Some cool unboxings coming up later that aren't Darn Good Yarn. Believe it or not, I do get stuff from places other than Darn Good Yarn, I swear. So I'll have some of those coming up. I have this hook comparison review that I've been working on forever that I'm pretty sure I'm making too difficult. So I think I'm scrapping what I've been doing and I'm just going to take a fresh approach at it. So that's coming soon. And stitch tutorials, a couple of patterns. I got a bunch of stuff planned for y'all. So anyway, make sure you're subscribed so that you'll see what I come up with. And thanks for stopping by, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.